Guten Tag guys, Fox here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install FoxPack on Prismlauncher. So first things first, you want to go to https://foxpack.fiox.win. Scroll down and then right click the down link for the featured version and copy link address. Then we want to go to prismlauncher.org/download. We are of course gonna select Windows, click on the portable zip, so we do not need to install MSVC. Then we're just gonna open the zip and then extract it to the desktop. Oh well, I'm just gonna do it. You can extract it wherever the fuck you want. So yeah, just extract it. Now we're gonna open Prismlauncher.exe. Now you have to add your Microsoft account. I'm just gonna do this on my actual computer. There, now I'm signed in. Okay, now we have to just wait a bit. There we go. Then we click on Add Instance. Click on Import, what you copied from the website, and then press OK. And then now it's just gonna download all the stuff. And there we have it. We have FoxPack. I'd recommend you go to the settings, like to the edit and then settings. And then under memory, I'd recommend it to set it to 16 gigabytes of RAM. That is if you have it. 8 gigabytes will also do fine. You can also launch it with 4 gigabytes, but that takes like 10 hours. Also, if you want to join the official FoxPack server, it's already in your server list. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial, please like and subscribe. And by the way, I will soon be releasing the first episode of me playing on the FoxPack SMP. So yeah, anyways, auf Wiedersehen.